Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a balance that won't update in Rocket Money. So if your account balance isn't updating in this app, the issue is usually caused by a temporary sign-in delay, expired bank credentials, or a connection issue with your financial situation. So refreshing the account or reconnecting it often resolves the problem. So actually guys, first you will need to refresh the account. So just open the Rocket Money app and tap the settings or the gear icon that's located at the top left corner here. So once you tap it, you will find an option that says linked account right here. So just tap it and choose the account with outdated balance, then tap on refresh or pull down to refresh if available. Wait a few minutes for the latest balance to sync. Also guys, you will need to update your bank credentials. So if your bank recently required a password change or additional verifications, so just go to the linked account option 2 as the first step on refreshing the account, and then just tap update credentials or reconnect, right? Then enter your current online banking username and password and complete any required multi-factor authentication or security verification. So also guys, you will need to check for pending transactions. So your balance may not reflect recent activity if the transactions are still pending at your bank. Your financial situation updates balances only at certain times of day, and deposits or transfers have not fully posted. So once transaction posts at your bank, Rocket Money will typically update during the next successful sync. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.